You can do it. Today we're looking at a VW T5 facelift wing mirror, how they go together, how to take it apart and replace the cover. I hit a road marker post in the mountains, the top cover completely disappeared. So I've ordered a new one from the internet, top cover. I've tried to put it together. As you can see, there's this really unsightly line and it won't clip together there, so it's not completely flush. So I've ordered another top and another bottom panel, and I've got those inside which we can look at and see how they all go together. It looks to me like I'm going to have to take out this wing mirror first to be able to dismantle the two panels. But let's go back inside. Okay, now we're inside. So I've got this is a top cover which I bought off the internet, and then this is the bottom cover which actually came from VW. So I'm glad I've actually bought these two, so it then shows me how it all's supposed to go together. You can see you've got a clip here, clip here, clip here, clip here, and there's a sneaky little clip down here. So if you can see there's a clip there, and I think that's what that hole up there's for, is that you stick a screwdriver up there, up that hole. You can see that clip there. So you put that screwdriver up that hole to be able to push that clip back. So let me just try and put that together. When you put these two together, yeah. So this is what you've got. You've got a clip here. You've got these two that go there, there. One right in the corner there, and then you've also got one here on this front side of the plate. So it looks to me like what you have to do is take the mirror out. Then you can get to these two, you can get to this one and this one, which is just these are two screws that need to come out, which makes this bottom panel loose. And then you can also flick this loose, this clip, and then you put your screwdriver up through the slot so that you can make that one there loose. And then these ones, I think you just have to unfortunately give it as much force as you can, and they actually eventually pop off. So as I showed you on the car, I think that problem is that when you buy the aftermarket ones that are no good, that is where that clip is supposed to clip into on this corner panel here, and it doesn't seem to go in very well at all, to the point it doesn't actually clip in, which is why it's always sitting proud of that, which means this is why you get your gap. So internet, now £15 for that on the internet. That's a supposedly primed top cover. But then when I was in the dealers the other day for something else, I asked them about the cost of the underplate, and it cost me £10. So honestly, I'm not even going to bother getting anything off the internet. I'll just get this. I bought that as a genuine VW one. That was £10, and I'll buy the top one, primed from VW, because I think it was about £30. And then I know they all clip together properly. And we're on the top cover again, and there are these little locating grooves here, which fit into the lower case. And I found on this aftermarket one they were miles out, so I've had to elongate them here with a Stanley knife just so that they fit in properly. There you can see this broken, just me taking it apart after putting it together to show you. So I wouldn't bother with these aftermarket ones. I'm just going to go get the original one. It's a slightly different type of plastic. So yeah, so hopefully that shows you all how it clips in. And there's three here at the top which clip into the top of the unit, but I believe you'll be able to get to those when we take the mirror out. So it looks like the first thing for me to do is to take the mirror out of the old unit, and I'll do a video about all that. So good luck.